So today I'm going to walk you through how to make an easy landscape. You'll need a piece of paper and a Sharpie pen. Start up on the right. I'm going to draw some lines to suggest mountains. I keep my pen moving, not a straight, perfect line. Come back to the middle, go back up to the left and down, suggest some mountains in the distance. This is the background. Draw some other lines with the overlap. Draw a little arc to show the sun for the sunset or sunrise. Now, thinking about the middle ground, drawing some little squiggly cloud-like in the middle ground for trees in the distance. Come around and draw a road with a sweeping arc. Come back up, draw another one, and it widens as it comes towards you. This is getting a little bit closer to you as you move down the paper, finishing up the middle ground, getting closer to the foreground, curving a line up. That's going to suggest that this road is up against a hill. Draw some larger squiggly cloud-like trees for the little closer middle ground, not quite foreground. Now thinking, what else can we put in here? How about some clouds? All different styles of clouds. I'm going to do some that are kind of cumulus clouds, little puffy. Trying to fill up those blank spaces. That one got a little flat, but when I put the pattern in, I can round that off if I don't like that shape. Another little cloud over here. One peeking out from behind the mountain. When you overlap things, it suggests some things are near and some things are far. As the clouds get closer to the horizon, they get smaller. Draw another little hill here. Break up that space. Looking for a place to put a little house or a little cabin. I think he's going to live right in here. Remember, this landscape is an abstract or folk art style, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I did a little bit of two-point perspective and put a little door, a couple little windows. I'm looking for patterns and lines in this, and I see that that's a little not flat, and when I come back in with patterns, that quote mistake can be covered up and you won't ever see it. And there you go.